Fun fact, Baltimore was the home of the first umbrella factory in the U.S. built in 1828. Look it up. Fun facts with Matt.
Why are you yelling?
We are Becca and Matt.
And we're full-time travelers working remotely.
We are currently traveling the United States with our 13-foot Burro camper.
And our 2 cats, Grace and Peach.
Right now, we are exploring the Northeast for the summer.
And then heading back west before winter.
Like and subscribe to follow along our journey.
Cheers!
People who haven't traveled there. That indicates a potential sustained.
We made it. Slight difficulty going on an incline, although you can't see it here. Fireplace has traction, but anyways, pretty. You gotta be in it. And where are we at? An eggplant. Good. Good morning, everybody. I just figured we'd update you since we haven't really spoken to the camera in a few days. We are in Baltimore right now, about to explore the inner harbor for a little bit. We're staying about 20 minutes outside the city in a state campground near the Patapsco River. I'm not saying that right. And it's near the city Ellicott, which
Ellicott.
Ellicott, which we had never heard of. We just happened to drive through it. We showed you guys that a few days ago. Really cute, very old, from the 1700s. So that was a nice surprise. But now we're gonna go into Baltimore. So let's go. Yeah, the what? So you've never been here, right? Oh, you have?
I long for that feeling
a lovely visit at the Visionary Art Museum.
Yes.
And now we're heading back to our car to go back to our camper for our work day. It's been a nice little visit.
Work. Shout out Rihanna, #1 subscriber to our channel. One of our biggest fans. She just had the baby, so she's getting all caught up.
I missed that.
So, love you, Riri.
Okay. Okay. All right. I got done with work a little early today, so I thought I'd do a quick stretch on my yoga mat. Something I noticed last time we were on the road was how stiff my body got from being in the car or sitting for work in a tiny spot. So I'm trying to be more proactive about stretching as often as I can. And it's been raining the last few days, so I decided to take the opportunity that it's not raining. I don't think I hear thunder, but it kind of sounds like thunder. Anyways, I'm gonna do that real quick before dinner. Matt just made pizza in the Ninja.
In the Ninja. Air fried pita pizza.
Pita's crunchy, cheese is melted, a little onion and pepper. Oh yeah. Oh, and we're running out of utensils, so spoon with salad. On the hunt for breakfast, and we're walking to it from our site. How fun. But first, bathroom break.
Bathroom break #1 of the day.
More like 10. But anyways, let's go.
For her.
Oh, pretty. So we are on our way to breakfast in Ellicott, which is in walking distance from our campground. It's about 2 miles, I think. So it's not raining today, or shouldn't. So we thought we'd do that. Took a shower this morning. Wasn't bad. Very hot water, probably the hottest water I've had at a campsite. And the pressure was okay. So I give it a 4 out of 5 for camping showers. But, ooh, big bird in the distance. Okay, so that's what we're doing today, and then later we're getting breakfast in town, then we're walking back, and then we have work later in the day, and then tomorrow we already hit the road again for Pennsylvania. Pretty backyard. Cardinal!
One out of Airstream.
Into the cute little city we go. I'm hungry. Let's go.
So patience is a virtue. We had been sitting there for 30 minutes waiting on our food. We had gotten our drinks. And to be honest, we didn't know it was 30 minutes. It felt like a long time.
We were just hanging out, enjoying ourselves.
But we did start to question, and right actually when we noticed is when they brought our food out and apologized for losing our ticket. And so they offered to refund one of the sandwiches. And you know, me being a sucker, I said, don't worry about it.
I know, we will sit there and complain about waiting, but then when it comes down to it, we'll be like, oh no,
Yeah.
it's totally fine.
So I was like, no worries, don't worry about it. They're like, well, at least let us give you a pastry. And we had been eyeing the pastries, you know, looking at them for lunches. So we're like, okay, I'll take a pastry. And big fat cinnamon roll. Looks
They have
juicy.
sweet potatoes, so that'll be interesting.
So patience is a virtue and kindness isn't dead yet.
Yeah. You might not be able to hear me over the lawn mower or whatever weed whacker they're using back there, but it's lunchtime and I have eggs that I don't want to go bad, although they've kept pretty cold in my lunchbox with ice inside of the ice box. But I thought I'd cook them all up because we're traveling tomorrow and make a little frittata. And I don't normally make these, I don't know why, but it smells really good. All it has is onion, bell pepper, and a lot of cheese. So also, I'm just cooking on that cast iron on propane stove. There's no lid, so I'm not sure how evenly this will cook, but we'll try. I wish you could smell this. So heavenly. I mean, honestly, anything with cheese and onion, though, tastes amazing. And everyone say hello to our outdoor queen. Finished product with half a bagel with butter. I just need to grab some everything but the bagel seasoning and it'll be perfect. Quick lunch on the road. Look at us.
Delicious.
He hasn't even tried it yet, but he knows it better be delicious. Good morning from rainy Maryland. We are
Packing up.
packing up. There's a big rain front coming our way. It's gonna bring some thunderstorms and just rain. And it's supposed to be here and for our next stop in Pennsylvania. So we're trying to race the clock and beat the rain so we can get there set up before it really gets bad, so we don't have to drive in it. I've become a little obsessed with the weather lately, which on one hand is nice because then you know if it's gonna be rainy, but on the other hand it's just another reason to get anxiety over stuff that you can't control. So yay. But anyways, that's what we're doing. We're going to Pennsylvania today, so let's go.
All right, a little bit of snafu this morning. We were trying to transfer the cats to the car from the camper, and Peach escaped. So we had a nice little ping pong game of her bouncing from under the car to the camper, but we eventually got her out with a giant stick and she ran into the camper. So a little behind schedule, but we just got everything packed up. Becca's grabbing the yellow blocks now and we're about to hit the road. So it's a pretty rainy day. Not sure how many scenic scenes we'll see along the way, but if we do, we'll be sure to capture them and show them in the next 20 seconds. Here we go.
Let's fly away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most.